Welcome back to another episode of Christina and David's Adventures, and today we are actually going to go on a really fun adventure. We've made a quick pit stop, and guess who we're with, by the way? Treasures of Huatulco, of course, to have a little bite to eat.
Yep.
And then we're going to?
The Waterfalls, the Cascades.
We're super excited about this. We'll see whether it's 1, 2, or maybe even 3 waterfalls we're going to take you to today. To be determined. But stick around and join us for this adventure.
That little bite to eat I spoke of was a wonderful homemade from scratch breakfast of quesadillas. Those are simply melted cheese in a tortilla, but that we could add fresh avocados into, nopal, which is a cactus leaf, some fried chicken with veggies, along with a wonderful spicy sauce. A fabulous fruit water was our drink of choice, but of course don't forget the specialty mezcals that are available. After filling our bellies, we loaded back into our 2 vans, and while chatting up a storm, we arrived at the entry to the 3 waterfalls. On this tour, we headed to Cascadas Mágicas, the magic waterfalls, and the scenery to the falls was stunning on its own. Our guide with Treasures of Huatulco was Antonio for this tour. He loves to share local culture, knowledge of the area, and his passion for nature and animals. Las Cascadas Mágicas de Copalitilla awaits you with more than 20 cascades, a cave, suspension bridge, zipline, and a ton of fun.
Magical waterfalls, this area. We have 4 areas with waterfalls, which is Llano Grande, San Miguel, Magical Waterfalls, at the end, Breezes. Okay? The water from here comes from spring waters, and that is the reason that water here is really, really clean. The biologists, they call this jungle tropical dry rainforest. Huatulco is in the middle of 2 rivers, Escoyula River and Copalitilla River.
Look how clear that is.
Always, my friends, watch your step because we have lots of roots here because could be slippery.
My lovely little friend. Stay home.
In Spanish, we say bosque de galería when you have a forest next to the river. The owners of this piece of land, they are not owners of the river, they just have the land, but they can use the river for this kind of adventures. That is the reason that the people who live close to the river, they practice ecotourism. This is the ceiba tree, my friends. It's a sacred tree for the Mayans. Why? Because this tree, do you know the cenotes? Cenote, yeah. The roots of this tree, they had a contact, or you can see them in the cenote, but that is underworld for my ancestors, the Aztecas, okay? The Mayas, sorry. We are in another level, and the branches are touching other level, okay? It's not hell, it's not earth, and not heaven, my friends. It's just underworld. So the Aztecas, they used to call it Mictlan, but the Mayans, they used to believe in the underworld, and they can go there, going into the cenote. Okay, let's go to the first pool, my friends. On the road, we will find different pools. We can stay there for some minutes, all depends on you, but we will enjoy maybe 6 or 7 different pools. There is an area where you can jump, or another area when we can use a rope and jump.
That was really good.
Is it refreshing?
It is very nice, actually. Considering I'm really warm right now.
Don't fall off of it.
But the temperature of the water is really fresh.
Very fresh. Like fresh cold?
No, like Canada. Different kind of fresh. But it's refreshing.
We are. It is chilly.
But it is refreshing.
It is.
And I will say that we were warm, so it's not a bad thing.
Never mind the last person.
Yeah, I don't know how this is helpful for anybody.
A little refreshing?
A little. Yeah, it's cool. And vines everywhere to hang from.
Yeah. Some are sketchier than others,
Some, yeah.
so I don't know about that one. There's a rope over there, but
He's going.
I understand it's very slippery to get up there, so.
Christina's gonna go for it.
Okay. If you are ready, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Clearly need to work on my hand strength.
Hello.
Are you getting checked out by the fish?
No, they keep eating my feet. Coming, I'm coming. More stairs. More stairs.
What is an adventure with Christina without stairs or semi-stairs?
Always stairs. Wherever Christina goes, there's stairs. Oh, it's like a shallow little beach into the water. Ooh, this gets narrow. Skinny mini. Hola, buenas tardes. Hola.
Is this your intro?
Is it?
That is not what you were supposed to tell us. That it's colder than.
Honest or lies?
I prefer lies.
He's lying here. He's lying.
Not doing a very good job at convincing me one way or the other, for that matter.
We lost our group.
Oh wow, we lost. We what?
Lost our group.
We lost our
we
group.
going?
Yeah, let's go. All right, let's go. Let the climbing begin.
I like all these ferns. All these ferns are really nice.
The ferns. David likes the ferns. This, I have to say, is a little slippery.
There's a lot of water coming down. Imagine this in like high rainy season, how much water comes down here? So that's the cave that you go in through there and you climb up through the cave to get up the falls.
And it's just a cave to climb through, that's it?
Climb through the cave and back out.
Climb through and it's arm strength to get back up.
Or we'll help you.
No, I'm sure it's fine, I'm just... Woo.
It's a little climb and then a big climb.
Right, so this This is going to be like the pre-gaming section.
Yeah, well, they're doing it now before I go in there, because it's going to happen in there automatically. Woo! Boom! It's very easy, but if you feel you can't do it, you can go out and around and up.
I have a one string.
I work out.
Trying to stay warm? Oh, you attacked from the back. What the heck? There's a back way. I didn't even know it.
This is how we came up last time. Watch your head.
We made it. Made
Gotta
it.
watch my head.
There's our door.
Jaden's gonna zip line without a zip. Just kidding. Going to cross the bridge. Nice. I got nothing. We made it up here, climbed. I went into cold water.
And you survived.
I survived.
You went into a cave.
Went into a cave, climbed some more. That looks neat, whatever that is. Looks like a seed. Nature is very fascinating.
Oh, yeah.
It's the little things sometimes.
You going again? Yeah, of course.
No, there's no spring, it's just you're falling. You have some hang time.
There's lots of people here now. A zip line over our heads.
I know, that's why I'm like, this is not a good idea.
Las cascadas mágicas del doctor.
So we'll have a mezcal to celebrate. So
We're sitting over there.
No one. I said specifically that you did.
Little soup, little Jamaica.
This guy's.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's okay.
I'll wait.
No, please, go ahead.
No, we owe you.
honestly, I'm
We owe you.
So lunch is served. I've eaten some of mine already. But we had chicken. We've got frijoles. We've got vegetables. We have chicken that's on Jaden's plate there.
There's some really yummy stuff.
Yeah, all sorts of vegetables, potatoes. There it is.
Tortillas? No. Would you like a tortilla?
No, I'm good. No tortillas for me.
Thank you. What did you think of that?
That was pretty wild.
That was amazing.
It was very cold, but
it was very chilly. Hey, I jumped in. We did it. You were in. It was a good time.
It was refreshing.
It was a really good time. I really enjoyed how many steps there were. There was different areas.
The caves were cool.
Caves.
Yeah.
That was fun.
It was.
A little bit of a workout too.
Yeah.
A little slippery, so you got to make yourself like steady enough.
Very true.
So good times. You can come with or without water shoes.
Yep.
You don't really need to bring anything with you, maybe a couple of pesos if you can, because at the end of the trail there was a little tienda
Yep.
that we didn't actually end up even shooting. But you can get your beer there, you can get your water there, you can get a couple other things.
Yeah. You leave your bag with him as well.
Yeah, you leave your stuff with the gentleman.
Yep.
Tips always appreciated.
Exactly.
And what else? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe with the little bell down below. And we will see you next Friday. Bye, guys.